To find the area of equilateral triangle, there are various ways we can do that. So we can say that area of equilateral triangle is given by the root of 3 over 4a squared, where a is the size, which is 8 centimeters. I've talked about all the types of triangle, their formula in my episode. So here our area will just be the root of 3 divided by 4 times 8 centimeter times 8 centimeter. Since it's a square, you know this will go here 1, go here 2. 2 times 8 will give us 16 root of 3 centimeter square. This could be the answer we can easily get without moving into the decimal numbers. Now we can also know that if you look at the equilateral triangle, which have the angle, each angle equals to 60 degrees. Here is going to be 8 centimeter, here will be 8 centimeter, here will be 8 centimeter. So we can see that two of the sides inclined to give us 60, two of the sides inclined to give us 60, the same at the top. So we can use the area of the third formula, which is half AB sine theta, where the theta is the angle inclined between the two sides. So this becomes 1 over 2 times A, which is 8 centimeter. Let me just use the 8. Then the B is also 8 centimeter. Then the sine of the angle was 60 degrees. Half of this will be giving us, that will be 4. 4 times 8, that will be 32, right? So if 32, as we'll be having 32, the sine 60, we have 0, 30, 45, 60. So we have root 3 on 2. That is going to be the root of 3 on 2. Whereby 2 can also go here 16 times. So I'll be having 16, the root of what? 3 centimeter squared. That is just the ways we can get it. We can also decide to draw the triangle and divide it into 2, since all the sides are equal. If you divide here, you'll be having 4 centimeter, 6, 6. This becomes the height. Then you find the height, then use half base times height. Both will work easily. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.